Natalie Lynch is a credentialed investigator and licensed attorney, not a vlogger.
What do you do if somebody hands you something, a piece of evidence during an investigation? It kind of depends what it is, of course. If they hand you a stack of reproducible reports, frankly, I'm going to ask if I can have the soft copy of it. Hey, can you email me the file later so I don't have to go scan this in again? And, I'd like to have the original document if it's all the same to you. But if it's something like a key or the smoking bomb, something like that, you need to collect it, document it in the condition that it was in when you got it. If your investigation is likely to go to court, you need to document the condition it was in when you received it, but you also need to record a chain of evidence. So you got it from the person on this day at this time. It sat in the cabinet that was locked. Only these 3 people had the key, things like that. Because if and when it goes over to the police, you're going to have to explain that to them. And, of course, if there is a police incident or there is any lawsuit coming out of it, people are going to say, oh, well, it got altered after we handed it over. And so you just don't even want to be involved in that. So, take some advanced initiative and document the condition it was in at the time. Obviously, if you're just a vehicle to getting, a set of keys returned to the client or something like that, take a picture of them. Hey, these are the keys. I turned them over to my contact on Tuesday, whatever you're done with it. But also, I don't keep stuff from my investigations. That is a slippery slope. I could have a cabinet full of stuff if I wanted to. And so I'm always kind of pushy about, I'm putting this in a FedEx, billing it to your account, and you're going to get it on Tuesday via this FedEx number. But that's all you can really do with it until you get it back over to the hands that it should be, either the police or you're more likely your client.
Mom, you have to tell people to like and subscribe.